Imagine you have a new friend who is incredibly smart. They know almost everything in the world, but there's a catch. This friend takes everything you say very, very literally. If you ask them to draw a picture of a bat, they might draw a baseball bat instead of the flying animal. This is a bit like working with artificial intelligence or AI. It is powerful and knows a lot, but it needs very specific directions to understand what you truly want. This is where a prompt engineer comes in. They are like translators or guides who have learned the special language that AI understands best. They figure out the exact right words to use to get the AI to do what we need it to do, without any confusing mistakes. So, what is prompt engineering? Simply put, it is the skill of writing instructions or prompts for an AI. Think of it as giving a recipe to a robot chef. A bad recipe might just say, bake a cake, leaving the robot confused about ingredients, temperature, or baking time. A good recipe, written by a prompt engineer, would list every single step in perfect detail. It would say, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. Mix for 3 minutes. Pour into a greased 9-inch pan, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. That kind of clarity is what prompt engineering is all about. It's the difference between getting a confusing mess and getting a perfect result from the AI. This role is becoming more important every single day. We are starting to use AI for all sorts of things, from writing emails to creating amazing pictures. A prompt engineer is like a key that unlocks the AI's full potential. They are the people who experiment and play with the AI to discover its hidden talents and its strange quirks. They are the pioneers exploring this new technology, figuring out how to make it work for everyone. Without them, using AI would be a much more frustrating and unpredictable experience. They are the ones building the bridges between human ideas and the AI's ability to bring those ideas to life in a useful and predictable way. Think of prompt engineers as AI coaches. A great basketball coach doesn't just tell their team to win the game, they give them specific plays and strategies. They teach them how to dribble, how to pass, and how to shoot with precision. A prompt engineer does the same for an AI. They don't just give it a vague goal, they break down the task into small, clear, and manageable steps. They test different approaches to see which one works best. They learn the AI's strengths and weaknesses, just like a coach learns about their players. This careful coaching helps the AI perform at its best, delivering results that are helpful, accurate, and exactly what we were hoping for. The main job of a prompt engineer is to write crystal clear instructions. This is harder than it sounds. It involves choosing words very carefully. For example, if you want an AI to create a picture, a bad prompt would be a picture of a dog. The AI might give you a cartoon dog, a photo of a dog, or a simple line drawing. A good prompt from a prompt engineer would be much more specific. It might say, a highly detailed, photorealistic image of a golden retriever puppy sitting in a field of green grass during a sunny afternoon, facing the camera. This detailed instruction gives the AI all the information it needs to create the exact image you have in your mind. Another key task is testing and improving prompts. The first try is almost never the best one. Prompt engineers are like scientists running experiments. They will write a prompt, see what the AI produces, and then think about how to make it better. Maybe the AI's story was too short. The prompt engineer might add a phrase like, write a 500-word story. Maybe the AI's marketing slogan was too boring. They might change the prompt to say, write 10 catchy and funny slogans for a new brand of coffee. This process of trying, failing, and trying again is how they discover the best ways to communicate with the AI and push it to produce higher quality work. A big part of their work is also making AI easier for everyone to use. Not everyone has the time or patience to learn how to write perfect prompts. So, prompt engineers often build tools and templates that have good prompts already built into them. Imagine an app for creating social media posts. A prompt engineer would have worked behind the scenes to make sure that when you click a button that says, write a post about my new product, the app sends a very detailed and effective prompt to the AI. In this way, they make the power of AI accessible to people who are not tech experts, allowing more people to benefit from this technology in their daily lives. Finally, a good prompt engineer understands the AI's limits. They know what the AI is good at and, just as importantly, what it is bad at. AI can sometimes make up facts or produce biased information. A prompt engineer knows how to write prompts that reduce these risks. They might add instructions like, only use information from trusted scientific sources published after 2020 when asking the AI to summarize research. By understanding the AI's weaknesses, they can build guardrails into their prompts. This helps ensure that the AI is used responsibly and that its outputs are safe, reliable, and helpful, not harmful or misleading. In the world of marketing, prompt engineers are changing the game. Imagine a company that needs to create advertisements for a new type of running shoe. A prompt engineer can craft instructions for an AI to generate dozens of different ad ideas in minutes. They might ask the AI to write 5 different Facebook ads targeting young runners, focusing on the shoe's lightweight design and bright colors. Use an energetic and motivational tone. This helps marketing teams brainstorm much faster. They can also ask the AI to write blog posts, emails, and social media updates, all tailored to a specific brand voice, saving countless hours of work and sparking new creative ideas. Customer service is another area where prompt engineers are making a huge difference. Many companies now use AI chatbots to answer customer questions. A prompt engineer is the one who trains this chatbot. They write prompts that help the AI understand common problems and provide helpful, friendly answers. For example, they might create a detailed prompt that guides the AI on how to handle a question about a late delivery. The prompt would tell the AI to first apologize, then ask for the order number, and then provide the latest tracking information in a clear and polite way. This makes customer service faster and more efficient for everyone. Think about education and how teachers can use this technology. A history teacher could work with a prompt engineer to create a prompt for an AI to act as a historical figure. The prompt might be, "You are Julius Caesar. Answer students' questions about your life and the Roman Empire. Speak in a confident and commanding tone, but explain things in simple terms." This creates an interactive and exciting learning experience. Prompt engineers can help build tools that assist students with their homework, explain difficult math problems step by step, or even help teachers create lesson plans and classroom activities, making education more personalized and engaging for every student. Even highly technical fields like software development and scientific research benefit from prompt engineering. A programmer can use an AI to help them write code faster. A prompt engineer might help them phrase a request like, "Write a Python script that reads data from a CSV file and calculates the average of the sales column." This can save a developer a lot of time. In research, a scientist could ask an AI to summarize hundreds of research papers on a specific topic. A prompt engineer would help them write a prompt that ensures the summary is accurate, focuses on the key findings, and lists all the sources, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery. As AI becomes a part of our everyday lives, the need for prompt engineers grows stronger. They are the essential link that makes this powerful technology truly useful for humanity. Without skilled prompt engineers, AI is like a massive library with no librarian. All the information is there, but it is difficult to find exactly what you need. Prompt engineers are the librarians of AI. They organize the chaos, create the systems, and guide us to the answers we are looking for. They ensure that our interactions with AI are not frustrating guessing games, but smooth and productive conversations that lead to amazing results. The importance of this role goes beyond just getting better answers from an AI. Prompt engineers play a crucial role in making AI safer and more ethical. They are on the front lines identifying when an AI produces biased, unfair, or incorrect information. By refining their prompts, they can steer the AI away from these harmful outputs. They are constantly working to make the AI more aligned with human values. As we rely on AI for more important tasks, from medical diagnoses to financial advice, the work of prompt engineers in building safe and reliable AI systems becomes absolutely critical for society. Furthermore, prompt engineers are innovators. They are not just using the AI as it is, they are constantly pushing its boundaries to see what new things are possible. They are the artists, writers, and scientists who are discovering entirely new ways to use AI for creativity and problem solving. A prompt engineer might figure out how to combine different AI tools to create a movie, design a building, or compose a piece of music. They are the explorers charting the new territory of AI capabilities, and their discoveries will shape the future of art, science, and business for many years to come. Their work inspires us all to think bigger about what we can achieve with these tools. In the end, prompt engineers are important because they are making AI more human. They are teaching us how to talk to these complex systems in a way that feels natural and intuitive. They are turning a confusing piece of technology into a helpful partner that can assist us with our work, our learning, and our creative passions. As more and more people start using AI at work and at home, the skills of the prompt engineer will be in high demand. They are the AI whisperers who are unlocking the true potential of this incredible technology and ensuring that it is used to benefit everyone in our world.